everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see my lovely face, I'm just reviewing or showing the unboxing of the Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I got this complimentary from Influencer. So yeah, I'm just opening the box, as you can see, and it comes with like an information card that has like information of the Laura Mercier and how like it's new and improved. And in the back it shows you like the specs of it. Is 24 hours of hydration, sheer dewy finish. It has a SPF of 30 and is in a range of 20 shades. And down there it shows you like how to get started with the campaign and all the details of that. And here's the product itself. So that's how it looks, and I think I got it in the shade nutmeg. So we'll be seeing in the next video, in the next part of the video, how it looks on my skin and whether I like it. I'm doing like an everyday look, so stay tuned for that. So I just wanted to stop by and talk a little bit about the Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I kind of like the way that it left my skin looking dewy and nice. It I was like, wow. Like, normally my favorite foundation is the Wet n Wild Photo Finish, I think it's called, foundation, and that leaves my skin looking so like beautiful and nice, and like it almost feels like as if I don't have no makeup on. And this tinted moisturizer also did just that. I would say though, like for somebody who has oily skin, I should have setted the tinted moisturizer first, because I didn't do that. Like, I saw that my oils was seeping out of my nose, because that's the first place to get like oily. But I thought it wasn't gonna match my skin, but it blended in perfectly. And I mean, I like that about it. I don't know if I would do this like every day, because I don't really wear makeup every day, but like I think this is light enough for me to wear on a daily basis if I just put like powder on it to set it, and like make sure I just take different precautions so it can last longer. But it was nice reviewing this product and wearing it for that day. It was really nice on my skin, and it had it looking glowy and nice. So that's all, folks. I tried to put concealer under my under eye, and I like the way that this looked, but I feel like it didn't give me enough. So later on you'll see that I put in a different concealer on top of it, but I still like the glowy look that both of those concealers together gave me.